Hey everyone, we're going to make another video here that is showing you how to create a runtime application. So let's just do a quick review. So we created a program and we have our inputs and we have our outputs over here. Then we created a Factorytalk view program for the touchscreen that matches that program. And we set up all of our properties, the general information, the states, and our connections for everything. Before that, we set up communications, which was over here in the Factorytalk links. And communications. And this is where we set up the communication between the touchscreen and the processor that it is going to be connected to. Now we have to, once we have this built, we have to create what is known as a runtime application. And it's pretty simple. You just go up here to Applications, Create Runtime Application. And we have to give it a name. In this case, it's Intro to Factorytalk. And we need to save it to any type except for 8.1. I'm not exactly sure why we cannot use 8.1, but it is not working in here. So I'm going to save it to version 8.0. Save. You'll see a box pop up. Yes, I want to save the changes to main. And it right up here, it is creating the runtime file. And this takes about a minute or so usually. All right, it's done. Now we need to transfer it to the touchscreen. And how you do that is you go here to Tools, Transfer Utility, and here it is right here. Now we have to select our source file to download. So we can find it right here. And there is our source file. We're going to open it. You'll see that it shows up right here. Download as, and it's downloading it as Intro to Factorytalk. You could change the name here if you wanted to change it to something else. We have checked Run Application at Startup, so it'll automatically start up once you've downloaded it. Now, what we're setting up here is which panel view that we want to send it to. And you have your choices down here. These are all the numbers that we use in the classroom. I am going to be sending it to the one with the Ethernet IP of 10.109.1.7. I just select it. I hit download. A box will pop up showing that you are downloading it. And it tells me that the download is successful. So now the touchscreen in the real world will be restarting itself and applying the changes that we just made. Another thing that you can do is right up here, Test Application. Whenever you create an application, you can test it. It's going to create another runtime file. And you'll see the screen that we created earlier will pop up right up here, and we can actually test it to see if it is going to work. There it is. You'll see that it's starting to work. And I've obviously forgot to change some colors on these. So as I tested it, I found out that there were some problems. That means I need to go back to my main, and I need to find out what changes I need to make. So I will work on that, and the whole point of this video is to show you how to create a runtime application and download it. And I'll go in here and fix the problems, and we'll start it up in another video.